Okay, everybody, welcome back to another video for Unreal. Unfortunately, this is going to be a pretty short one. Just got notified from Blackheart that he's currently unable to make it. Um, so I just wanted to kind of give you all a heads up on this one. Sorry, it's going to be a no-go on the Unreal. Um, So if you're kind of waiting around for that, sorry. We're just gonna have to postpone it for tomorrow. So, hopefully you'll, stick around for the other content. Although technically I'm just going to be doing video uploads and then Genshin Impact later on tonight. So if you're just here for the Unreal, then sorry, that's not going to happen today. Which, let's face it, real life can come at you pretty hard sometimes. Um, so no worries on that. Blackheart, if you are listening, then don't sweat it there, bud. You know, do what you need to do, um, and uh, don't let it get you down. You know, uh, we'll be here for you when you come online for Genshin Impact later. Okay, but don't rush it. You know, take a deep breath, relax, you know, don't stress out. Um, Hopefully, don't let tempers fly because, um, saying the wrong thing can can hurt sometimes as well. So I don't really want you guys having any problems along those lines either. Um, so but that's where we're gonna go ahead and you know, well, end the Unreal session. Um, so yeah, gonna go ahead and stop the recording because well, there's really no point in that. I'll 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 probably put this up on my playlist anyway, just to kind of get people to understand that hey, you know, in my last session with Pega, I mentioned, hey, we're gonna do some Uh, we're gonna do some Unreal, but yeah, no, not happening today. And then again, that's understandable. No worries on that. Okay, so start recording now.